Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you one other faucet website. You can claim your faucet every 5 minutes, and this faucet is free. You can claim into Faucet Pay account. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos and watch this video until the end. Okay, let's get started. This is the Faucet website. Faucet website name is autofaucets, and this website pay you Litecoin. Okay, every 5 minutes you can claim this much Litecoin. First, you copy your Litecoin address. This is your Litecoin address. Copy and come here, paste your Litecoin address. Okay, just click solve the capture. Solve this letter capture first. Solve this one, or this one is nothing, you can solve it. Okay, nothing necessary to solve another one. Just click I'm human. Okay, and just please wait. Just click airplane. Okay, just click it and just click check, click get reward. Okay, click get reward and you earn this much Litecoin to your Faucet Pay account. Okay, I go to my dashboard to show you this website pay me my Litecoin. You can see I earned this much Litecoin to my Faucet Pay account instantly. Thanks for watching, guys. This website link available in description. You can claim 25 times per day every 5 minutes. Okay, this website available in description. Watch my other videos, subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.